Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants, and I know a lot of you have been asking me for probably the last year, maybe a year and a half, for a vegan butter alternative. So I've been experimenting in the kitchen and I've come up with a great solution. So this is oil-free, dairy-free, and it's good for you. So let's get started. For this recipe, I'm going to be using my small Tri-Best blender. So into the small cup that comes with this blender, I've put 125 ml of an unsweetened plant-based milk. I'm using soy milk, but you can use your favorite milk for this recipe. To this, I'm adding 100 grams of cooked cauliflower. Next, I'm adding in about 1/8 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You don't need much of this, it's basically just to add a little bit of colour. Because butter is usually salted, I am going to add some salt to this recipe. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of coarse Celtic sea salt. I just find that the flavour is really delicious in this. And finally, the secret ingredient for this recipe is 1 teaspoon of psyllium husks. So psyllium comes from the psyllium seed and it's 100% fibre, it's gluten-free, it helps your digestive system. If you suffer from any digestive issues such as constipation, this will actually help you. So it will be a vegan butter that helps with digestion. Now it's time to blend this up. Okay, so I've blended this for about 1.5 minutes and it's already nice and thick, and it will actually continue to thicken. So if you leave it in your fridge, this will be a nice thick consistency. If you want to make it thinner at any time, just add a little bit more plant-based milk and give it another blend up, and you can use it for a whole week. Leave it in your fridge for the week and use it anytime that you want a buttery spread. So as you can see, this is really coating the spoon. It's a nice thick spread, and it has an oily consistency from the psyllium husks. It just makes it nice and gelatinous, and it's absolutely delicious. So keep this on hand for when you have your toast. This is a perfect spread, a perfect vegan buttery alternative. Give it a try, let me know what you think. Remember, the recipe is on my website at CookingWithPlants.com, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now.